About this item: compatibility: TV stand legs for LG TV stand base 60UK609, 60UK6200, 60UK6090, PUA 60UK6200, PUA 60UJ6050, 60UJ6300, 60UJ6200, 65UK6090, 65UK6090, PUA 65UK6300, 65UK6300, PU 65UK6300, BUB 65UK6200, PUA 65UJ6300, 65UJ6300, PU 65UJ6050, 65UJ6200, PUA. Part number: MAM 643875. Save your time. Our TV stand base replacement for LG TV stand comes with screws and instructions. Save time looking for screws. Easy and fast installation. You can handle it easily by yourself without any hassle. Protect your wall and no need to drill holes. No need to drill holes with the TV base stand legs. No damage to the wall and keep your wall beautiful. Safety and stability. The TV stand for LG TV stand replacement base is made of high quality ABS material. It supports flat screen panel TVs up to 80 pounds. Better viewing experience after installing the TV stand legs. It could make TV at the height of people's eyesight to improve your viewing experience. See more product details in the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: compatibility: TV stand legs for LG TV stand base 60UK6090, 60UK6200, 60UK6090, PUA 60UK6200, PUA 60UJ6050, 60UJ60